Hi, today we're going to compare numbers using symbols. We're going to represent the comparison between two numbers by using the greater than, less than, or equal sign. We're also going to be able to read the following symbols: greater than, less than, or equal. So in our first example, we see 2,685. We have the less than symbol. Is less than 21,420. We read that 2,685 is less than 21,420. In our second example, we have the number 1,023 is greater than 978. And in our final example, we have the number 342,517 is equivalent or equal to 342,517. So to make these symbols make a little bit more sense, I have a strategy for us. So once we compare the two numbers, such as 2,685 to the number 21,420, we see that 21,420 has two 10,000s, where 2,685 has 0 10,000s. So we've determined that 2,685 is less than 21,420, but it's really easy to get the symbols mixed up, the greater than and less than symbols. So I have a strategy for you. I like to make two dots on the bigger end or the open end of the less than symbol. And then I make one dot on the small pointy end. So I remember that on the side where there's two dots, there's more dots. That is the same side as the number that's greater. The side with only one dot is the side that points towards the smaller number, or the number that's less than the side with two dots. It's just a little strategy that I use. And I remember if the one dot comes first, it's the less than sign, because there are fewer dots on this side, on the first side that you read, because we read left to right. So this is the less than sign. So down here, let's look. 1,023, we've compared it to 978, and we notice that 1,023 has one group of 1,000, but 978 has 0 groups of 9,000. So again, we can use our dots as a strategy. We have two dots on the open side or the greater side that faces 1,023. So I know that that's going to be the greater number. And I put one dot on the small side of the symbol, representing the smaller number, 978. So it's just a little strategy that I use so that I don't get the less than and greater than symbols mixed up. So now it's your turn to try. You're going to be comparing numbers. You are going to place a greater than or less than symbol between the two numbers in the next activity. And after placing the symbol, I want you to be prepared to use the following sentence stem to explain your number sentence. You're going to use the sentence stem. I know that blank is greater than blank because you won't have to explain every number, but I do want you to be prepared with the sentence stem for a couple of them, because I will ask you to explain why you place the greater than or less than symbol. So here's what your activity is going to look like. You're going to have a row of two numbers. You are going to draw the comparison symbol, the greater than, less than, or equal sign in between the two in this Nearpod lesson. All right, good luck.